Yes, we are back again. Hi everyone, welcome with the fifth puzzle of today's newspaper, Saturday, May the 2nd, 2020. We have a binary puzzle here, so let's count first what kind of binary puzzle this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Remember that, so we can start. Yes, let's get started. Alright. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here and 1, then 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double 1 here and O, then O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here and 1, then 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here and 1, then 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double O here and 1, then 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O here and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, then 1. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then double O here and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here and O, then O. Then double 1 here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are ones. Then I cannot continue, I see, so I need to find if there are no identical numbers. Yes, this one and this column. Let's compare 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. Oh, empty box 1 0 0. So this digit and that digit, I need to switch them, otherwise if I fill this O and a 1, then I have identical columns. So this should be a 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Double O here and 1, then 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, for this Sudoku, Binary Sudoku, a quickie. I'm really pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you later with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper, a tectonic, aka Suguru. Yes. Thank you and bye bye.